In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add attachment inside of comments in Jira. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Jira like you usually would. Then from here, you need to find the specific place you want to add this comment. Then from here, when you have found it, you'll go down to activity. And then you can see comments down here where you can write in what you want. But to add an attachment, it is super easy. The first thing you need to do is insert elements over here. Then from here, you need to scroll down until you see attachment on this work item. Here you can see insert an attachment already on this work item. And when you click on that, all of your uploaded attachment files inside of your Jira project will be visible over here. Then you need to select one and click insert. Then it will be viewed inside of here. And then you can save it and upload it so everyone in your Jira group can see it. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!